Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L3260 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome, and here in search type Epson L3260 driver download and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the first link. Whatever first link is, open that link. And here we find our printer name, and it's detect your operating system and other thing, and then it show a driver on your screen. So wait for a few seconds. Scroll down and here we find it's detect your operating system. Here we find operating system is detect. If it's not detect your operating system right, or operating system or the bit is not right, then click at here. If Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the here. Windows 10 64-bit, then click at here. After that, here we find go button. Click on that go button. Page goes to refresh, and here we find our drivers. And scroll down and go to the here drivers, expand drivers, click on this plus button. Here we find two drivers are IMP for us. First is this printer driver, and second is this scanner driver. .exe file is the IMP. Don't go to the DMG file, go to the .exe file. First of all, I download this printer drive. So first of all, I download the scanner driver, then printer driver. So I go to the scanner driver, click on the download, and download is started. At the top here we find download is started. It's take few seconds, wait for few seconds. Our download is completed. Click on downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it, and drag this scanner setup file to desktop. Close it. Next step is go to the web browser. Once again, go to the same page. Here we find our printer driver. Go to the printer driver this time, click on the download. It's redirect to another page, and here we find the agree. Click on the I agree, okay, and click on the download. Its download is started. At the top here we find our download is started. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Our download is completed. Click on show in folder, click on the downloads, and click on the show in folder and minimize it. And here we find our scanner. Drag to the desktop, okay, close it. Here we find our scanner. Here we find our scanner, and here we find our printer driver. And this is the setup file, and this setup file is actually zip file, and we are going to unzip this zip file. Right click on it, and here we find extract files. Click on extract files, click on OK. Now newly created folder on the desktop, extracted folder on desktop. Double click on it, double click on it, double click on it, and here we find our drivers. Close it. There are two ways to install it. First way is double click on it and install it, but best way is to manually install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanners, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on that and wait for a few seconds. New option is pop up in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds. New option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that, close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here and go to the any USB port that you find. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004. Select any USB port that you find and click on the next. Here we find have a disk. Click on have a disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our folder, newly extracted folder. Double click on it. Double click on the folder. Double click on our folder. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. All files contain same driver. Select any file. Click on the open. Click on the OK. Here we find Epson L3260 series printer. Select that. Click on the next. Here we find printer name. Give any printer name that you like. I give Epson L3260 and click on the next. It is installing our printer and it's take few seconds. So wait for a few seconds. Our printer is now installed. If you want to share in the network, then go to the last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next part is our scanner part. We want to install scanner driver also, or the scanner. Right click on it, scanner driver, right click on the scanner driver, click on run as administrator, click on the yes, it's unzipping, and click on the next. Accept the terms and condition, click on the next. Wait for a few seconds. In a few seconds, scanner is installed. Click on the finish. Next part is check our printer and scanner is installed properly. Go to the start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. And if you find your printer name at this list, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.